Good morning. I hope you can see this in the background here. How beautiful of a sunrise. Amazing. Question for the morning is, do chickens come out when it's cold? We'll see soon. First, off to feed the pigs and the sheep. It's about 34 degrees outside. One question that I've asked a number of times is, do the chickens come out when it's cold? It's a little windy. Might be able to hear that. Let's just see. Not all of them come out when it's too windy, not on the cold side. At least not yet. Enjoy the day. That's Phoenix. Good morning. Today is part 2 of do chickens come out when it's cold? It's only about 20 degrees, not even this morning. But here's another beautiful sunrise. There it is. Beautiful. Let's say good morning to some sheep. Good morning, Vinny. Good morning. Good morning, Nutmeg. Buddy. Matilda. Mabel. Mackie. Onward. It's not even 20 degrees out here yet. Although it's beautiful, it's cold. First one, Eva. Barcelona. Barcelona number 2. That's Duke. Look who else also came by. Some sheep. They're interested in what the chickens have. The rest of them are going to come out. There you are. Chickens do come out when it's cold. It's not even freezing up to 32 degrees yet, but they're out and about being active and eating some morning foods. Good morning. That's Duke. Well, here's part 3. Look at these chickens. They're just waiting. If we wait long enough, they'll all come out. It's not particularly cold this morning. It's a little bit later. We're getting to the feeding, but they're just waiting. That was Phoenix. Look at these chickens just waiting. All right, chickens. Feeding time's coming up.